Sanan Semiconductor is an emerging leader in wide bandgap power semiconductor materials, components, and foundry services. We take pride in our robust megafab silicon carbide capacity, ranking among the top 3 worldwide. Our commitment to cutting-edge technology and uncompromising quality positions us as a leader in the global market. As many have discovered, technological progress often entails significant energy consumption. Wide bandgap semiconductor technology is facilitating future-proof innovations and creating efficiencies across the industry, including faster, longer-lasting electric car charging, enhanced conversion of clean energy in storage systems, rapid, year-round data exchange at base stations, gradually reduced energy consumption in data centers. Sanan's team is dedicated to delivering top-tier products and unlocking possibilities.